Hey everybody, what I thought I would do with you today is go through what the examiner thought was a really tough question. So be prepared to watch this video a few times before you try the past paper question. So interest cover, as we hopefully know, is operating profit, which is basically profit before interest and tax, divided by the interest. So you might get a question that asks you to calculate the interest rather than the interest cover ratio though. So Meadow Company has 900,000 operating profit and an interest cover of 6 times. So the operating profit covers the interest 6 times. So putting the figures that you know into our interest cover. So we know the operating profit is 900,000. We know that covers interest 6 times. So 900,000 divided by 6, interest must be 150,000. Hope you follow that so far. Okay, I'm going to do a similar thing on debt. So if you've got a debt of 100,000, interest is 5%. Well, we all know that interest is 5,000. But just imagine they didn't tell you the 100,000. So you had to calculate the debt. They just told you the interest rate and the interest amount. All you do is you take the interest amount, 5,000. That represents 5%, so divide by 5% to get you to the full 100,000 debt. So it's your interest divided by your interest rate. So let's put all of this together in a question very much like the last December exam. And this is what it looked like. Oh, this is a similar version of one anyway. Pasture Co has the following information. Tells you the operating profit, 1.2 million. Tells you the interest cover ratio, 8 times. And tells you the interest rate, 5%. So we put in the figures that we know. So we know interest cover is 8 times. We know operating profit is 1.2 million. So 1.2 million divided by 8, interest is 150,000. Now, the question asked, what is the debt? So you think, right, well, I know the interest is 150,000, and I know that that represents 5%. So can you remember how we did it? To work out the debt, you did 150,000 divided by your rate, and that would get you to the debt of 3 million. So that's partly what you needed to do the tricky question. If you're following on accountancy, you will be able to see the proper past exam question now. If you're looking at this on YouTube or social media, then you can just go try the next past exam question. So it's from the September-December combined past papers. Hope it helps.